Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word slinging. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He was slinging insults at his coworkers during the meeting. Slinging in this sentence refers to aggressively and continuously throwing or hurling insults towards others, potentially in a harsh or derogatory manner. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.